Hey guys, this is Michael from digitalwretch.net, and today we have here the ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 2025 model. I want to show you a unique feature that more laptops should have because it helps extend their lifespan. But before that, let's take a quick look at these specs of this machine. This laptop comes with an Intel Core Ultra 9 2075HX processor, paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU running at a full 175 TGP. We just published an article on our website about why the ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 lets you go beyond limits. So, if you want to learn more, head over to our site. I've linked it in the video description. Don't forget to check it out and also hit the subscribe here on the channel. Now, let's move on to the feature I really want to show you. Underneath this laptop, you'll find access to the RAM and storage. On most laptops, you usually need a screwdriver to get inside, but ASUS made it easy with a toolless bottom door. This gives you instant access to the RAM and SSD, and you can also see the battery and fans. For RAM, this unit is already maxed out with 64GB DDR5, that's 32GB times 2 running at 5600 MHz. However, the SCAR 18 supports speeds up to 6400 MHz if you want to push it even further. As for storage, there are two slots. One is already occupied while the other is free for upgrades. Installing an additional SSD is simple thanks to the ASUS Q-Latch mechanism, which eliminates the needs for screws. Just pop it in and you're good to go. This kind of design is something I really hope becomes standard across more laptops. It makes upgrading effortless and extend the life of your device without hassle. What do you think? Do you agree laptops should have this feature more often? Leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you in the next one.